So it's Sunday morning. It's cloudy, a little bit rainy. I haven't talked to you guys in a while, so I thought I'd make a video. The oldest made it home from college, so spent some time catching up with him, and it was great to have him back. Been busy doing some other things. Kind of took a break from making videos, which is not uncommon for creators. It was nice. It was nice to just not create, focus on some other things for a little while. I had a good time with that. Catch up with the family. Today, though, I thought I would get out. I've been wanting to get out and take a few more photos, pictures and stuff. I kind of got off my game a little bit for a while with taking photos with wintertime. It's hard, for me anyway, to feel motivated to get out and take pictures in the wintertime. There are some beautiful wintertime scenery shots that you can get, but I just didn't have the motivation this winter. So we're at a place here, I just pulled up. We're at a place called Shelter Gardens Park. And it's a pretty nice park with beautiful flowers and walkway. So I thought I would shoot some pictures and some video. This is was created by Shelter Insurance Company, and it's right next to their corporate headquarters, but it's a very nice little park. A lot of photos are taken out here, a lot of weddings, proms, senior pictures, all that kind of stuff. I thought I'd shoot some video. I'm going to take some pictures and some photos today. With the return of my son returns the camera also that I generally take a lot of photos with, which is just a Canon T6i, which is not an expensive camera. And the point of that is that you don't have to have an expensive camera to take photos. And the way you get better at taking photos is the same way you get better at making videos, and that's to get out there, take photos, make videos, all that stuff. So I thought I'd get out and do some things, take you along, show you what it looks like.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just want to go my own way, gonna let the past burn down, cause honestly don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be
All right, so this place is beautiful, but it is thundering around. It's getting ready to pour. I looked at the radar, so I'm gonna get out of here, but I just want to take you around and show you some places that you can shoot video, get some pictures of things, particularly after a rain. I think it's really good. Something about water on flowers and plants I just love. So anyway, it was fun to come out here, but I'm gonna duck out and beat the rain, I think, because it's just now starting to sprinkle. I was just gonna comment how interesting it is when you've been using one particular camera for a while. So primarily most of the video that I shoot is on the Panasonic Lumix GH5, and because my son had the Canon off to school with him, I haven't used that camera in 9 months or so, I'd say. So to pick up that Canon camera and use it again was extremely awkward, to say the least. It's funny how you'll get sort of used to the way menu systems and the way cameras work and the features that different cameras have. And I'll have to say, I've always been a fan of the Canon for photography, but after using it a little bit, I really like the menu systems and the way the GH5 functions a little bit better. The Micro Four Thirds sensor is definitely smaller, and so you don't get as much light for sure. But when it comes to the actual menus and function and operation and the ergonomics of the camera, man, it's some of the best I've ever used. And granted, I'm not a professional photographer, but holding the camera and using it and how it functions and the way the ergonomics works makes a huge difference in photography, videography, and all those things. So it's not always about what has the most features. Sometimes it's about usability. So I'm enjoying what Panasonic's done. It's got a long way to go. It's by no means perfect, but they're making some progress. So got out of there just in time before the rain hit. It was fun to go out and just shoot some video, take a few pictures, things like that. So glad I got it in before the rain hit. Appreciate you coming along today. Thanks for watching. See you again tomorrow.